Hey guys, Tasman with Dead Air Silencers here today to talk to you about our fixed barrel spacer. You might ask yourself why you would need a fixed barrel spacer. The fixed barrel spacer turns your booster assembly into a fixed mount. The reason this is important is because if you utilize a booster assembly with the included spring and piston on a fixed barrel firearm such as a pistol, subgun, rifle, you have the possibility of breaking your piston. We don't want that to happen. So we have this part to replace the spring section. This fixed barrel spacer fully arrests the movement of the booster assembly. Let's dig into the booster assembly and show you a quick install. First, we're going to remove the back cap. Then we will remove the spring and replace it with the fixed barrel spacer over the top of your piston. Then you will take the back cap and screw it back on, and you're ready to go on any fixed barrel host. The fixed barrel spacer will fit into our SD500 booster assembly. This will fit on our Ghost, Primal, Wolfman, or Wolf 9 SD silencers. Go ask your local stocking Dead Air dealer about your fixed barrel spacer, or check it out at deadairsilencers.com.